Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to pair a Roku stick remote. Let's go. Open the Roku settings. Use the remote control from the main TV or Roku virtual remote. Open Settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Device Connect. Enable. Remotes and Devices. Add Remote. Select Remote Type. Follow the on-screen instructions. If the remote control does not work, replace the batteries. Important: the Roku infrared remote control does not work with the Roku stick. That's it. Now you know how to pair a Roku stick remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.